Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make an Armenian puff pastry cake called Gata with a sugar and butter filling. It's low in calories and it's excellent for when you're on a diet and want to eat something sweet. For the ingredients we are going to need flour, butter, sugar, 1 egg, a puff pastry roll and 3 packs of vanilla sugar. The exact measurements I'll put in the description and mention it also throughout the video. We first start making the filling. It's an easy filling to make, consisting of just 3 ingredients: 125 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Don't worry too much about being exact with the measurements, because the filling is quite forgiving and you can just kind of eyeball the measurements. First, add your butter to a mixing bowl. Make sure the butter is at room temperature. And now add the sugar and the flour. Finally, add 3 packs of vanilla sugar since it gives a really nice taste to the filling. Mix the filling with a spoon so it sticks together, and then you can smash it with a wooden stick. If you don't have a wooden stick at home, you can just use your spoon for it. Gently press the butter so it mixes very nicely with the rest. This might take like 5 to 10 minutes until everything is blended together. So be patient and keep mixing. After mixing everything together with a spoon, we can use the wooden stick to make everything one whole. For me, this is the hardest part of the recipe because it's really an arm workout to mix everything together. So be prepared. This is the texture you're aiming for. It's smooth yet not too soft. We can now put the filling aside and start rolling down the puff pastry dough on the table. I would advise keeping the puff pastry dough in the fridge until you're done making the filling, otherwise it will get too soft and hard to work with. Spread the filling evenly on the puff pastry and do your best to ensure that there are no large gaps on the dough. Carefully roll the entire dough onto itself without causing any tears. For the outer ends of the dough, pinch them together with your fingers. Now gently roll the dough, pressing not too hard on it so it just sticks on itself. Having finished rolling, carefully transfer the puff pastry onto a baking sheet. I'm going to use a cutter which has been made specifically for this cake called Gata. We are going to cut the dough in approximately 9 pieces. Cut the cake diagonally. Crack an egg into a small bowl. Spread the beaten egg on the puff pastry pieces so it gets a nice golden color. In the meantime, I've preheated the oven and I'm going to put the dough inside it at 200 degrees. Depending on the type of oven you have, after 20 to 30 minutes you can take the cake out of it and let it cool down on the table. When it's gotten a golden brown color, you know that it's finished. So that was it, guys. This is what the finished product looks like. It's got a very nice shine to it and I can't wait to devour it. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, since it will help me a lot. And please don't forget to comment down below of how you like this recipe. See you in the next.